Hello everyone. So far we have seen how we are working with the get and post methods and how we are creating a new resource. And the last session we have seen how to use path param. Okay. The major advantage of using REST APIs, it has the capability of returning the multiple form of data. I mean content filtering, like it can return XML and it can return as a JSON format as well, and it can return some other types also. So far we have seen how it is working with XML. Okay, let's see how it is working with the JSON. Okay, let me run it now to see the things are going fine. This is an existing application. I haven't made any changes to for the JSON. Okay, let me server restart. Let me start the server again. Okay, server is starting. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, it's loading. Okay, server started. So this is our first URL. I'm going to call will it will return the XML format. Now we are going to see how it is going to work with the JSON format. So it is not much code changes. It's just simple content type filtering. Okay. So just we need to provide what is the produce type for this method. Like is it XML or JSON? We can specify. Okay. Produces. So as we know, we have a media type contains multiple constant values to return the for different formats. I'm going to use a JSON now. Okay, so whenever you made a change, make sure just do a build. Okay, it is always a good practice. Sometimes the code change will not reflect because some of the files will not compiled properly. So and clean your project, clean, and okay. So let's go and try the same now. Let me copy and put it in new tab. Let me set the so what is the content type we're expecting? We're expecting JSON, so we need to provide the content type. And the format is application slash XML, and then accept. Okay, now trigger it. Okay, for not acceptable. What is it? Let this. Okay, sorry. It has to be JSON. Okay, trigger it now. See, this is looks far better. Okay. Okay, if in case if you want XML format again, you have to go back and again modify this. But I want my API has to be dynamic. That means if I am requesting XML, it has to return XML. If I'm requesting JSON, it has to return JSON. So what we can do is we can specify multiple data type. So use an array and provide multiple data type here. Media type dot application underscore XML. We can use it. Okay. So I did a code change. Okay, what I'm gonna do is as usual, I'm going to build a project. Okay, and clean the project once to make sure things are going clean. Okay, let's go ahead and let's copy this and go to new URL, and you need to provide let's try with the content type. We can control both the types like JSON as well as XML. And accept. It will accept. Okay, let's trigger now. See, I'm getting an XML format. Okay, so based on the client request whether it is expecting a XML format or JSON format, we can provide the dynamic output. Okay, So let, let me try JSON. Last time it is not working because in my service I provided only the application XML. So let's try now. See, this is pretty straightforward. Okay, we don't have to do much code changes. Okay, it's a simple way to returning the dynamic response like JSON or XML format. Okay, just give it a try and let me know if you face any issues. Okay, and